Hey y'all, this is Monica. You're at the Monica, the Mom Talk channel. Um, I wanted to edit this photo today for a couple of reasons. One, because someone asked me how I edit So Moody, specifically about this particular photo and some Instagram comments. This is straight out of camera. And then also because I am in probably like the biggest rut of my life. I have not been picking up my camera. I even just bought a new lens and like have almost no desire to use it, but I bought it hoping that it wouldn't, you know, be this way right now, that I would be using it. But then also our rainy weather here in central Texas doesn't help either. But anyway, she asked me how I edit So Moody. And, part of the answer is that I don't necessarily edit Moody, I shoot Moody. So the edit can help enhance that for sure. But as you can tell, this isn't like a light and airy photo. There's some windows over here to the right side of the frame, kind of coming from the side and behind this dad's shoulder. And then on the left side over here, it's pretty dark. This is a dark room. It had like dark blue walls. Of course, I have all the lights off because I just want that natural light. So there's just not a whole lot of light from this left side of the image at all. So it's already kind of moody on its own. You could probably just make a few different adjustments over here with, highlights and shadows and contrast, and uh, you would probably be pretty set if you wanted to be. I'm going to warm this up a little bit. I'm going to use the Tricia Victoria Gold presets. I think that's what I used in my original edit with these. And I don't really remember which one I used, so I'm just kind of toggling through them over here and seeing what I feel like today. Maybe number 4. It sounds good. I like it. See, so this is, this preset's adding some grain. We don't really even need that much. I mean, that's just kind of personal preference on how much you want. I decreased it a little bit. I'm going to enable the profile corrections because it's really made it dark. The highlights are probably a little bright over here. I want to, oh, that changed my white balance a little bit too, and I liked it warmer. And then I cropped it just because I felt like it was a little distracting over here with Dad's arm. It just kind of, I moved across the photo from right to left faster than I wanted to, and so I got rid of it. I really wanted the focus of what was happening in this image to be about this adorable little handhold going on over here. And so there you go. I mean, that's really all it needs. It's very simple. I like this Tricia Victoria preset in this application. I'm not always a huge fan, but I do like it for these. I think it's fun. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you will give it a thumbs up, I would certainly appreciate it. And if you'll subscribe to my channel, I know it's been a little bit since I posted anything, but I would like to be doing it more often, and I would like for you to know when that happens so you don't miss it. So please go subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you for being here.